So I'm gonna show you guys how I get this hair unit to get extra wavy with this product. This is our product, Dice Molding Cream. This is one of the types of units that I use for waves. If you look at it really close, you can kind of see there's a ripple effect going on in there. So I'm gonna break down the whole process for you so you can see exactly how I get waves into these units and the products I use. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this unit to the sink and give it a wash. There you go, that's the unit. Let's give this a wash. Bang. I'm just gonna actually use our conditioner too. Oh damn. This is our argan oil conditioner. Get it nice, smelling fresh. We're gonna let this sit for 10-15 minutes. 10-15 minutes, and then we'll do the big unveil. What a beautiful sight. Yo, that is nuts. Look at those waves on these units, guys. Look at the waves on these units. And that's why we got people walking around Canada, America, pretty much the whole world, all over Europe, rocking these. I mean, just look at the drip on these. This is all real human hair. It's all real human hair. And of the highest quality, most comfortable base. I mean, we got a ton of options, bro. Ton of options in different colors. And like if we even get in close with this, you see the grays in there. We have a few grays in there. But we literally, whatever style you are, this is brown, that little, that beautiful drip. Then we can go over, we got like the Drake waves, that type of kit. Super loose. loose curl. And I don't know what you would call that, but we even got a frontal piece. This was actually a unit I did this past week, and we chopped all that off. So yeah, but yeah, options literally limitless. How does that look? Yo, this is crazy.